In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload files to Claude AI. Once you're on the Claude chat page, you'll see a prompt box with the message, "How can I help you today?" This is where you can attach your files and add your instructions. Inside the prompt box, look for the small plus icon. Click it to open the attachment menu. If you don't see the icon right away, click inside the text field or start a new chat. On some devices, the option may appear as an attachment or paperclip symbol. From the menu that opens, select Add Files or Photos. This will open your computer's file picker. Browse to the document or image you want to share, select the file, and confirm your selection. After you select the file, you'll see it appear underneath the prompt box as an attachment. Wait for the upload to finish before sending your message. Claude supports common file formats, including PDFs, images, text files, and spreadsheets. For large files, trim the content to the relevant pages before uploading. You can also upload a file by dragging it directly from your desktop or a folder into the chat area. Move the file over the Claude window and look for the highlighted drop zone. Then release the mouse to drop the file. Drag and drop can also be used to add multiple files at once. If a file doesn't attach, try dropping it directly into the prompt box. Also check that the browser window is active and not minimized. Another option is to copy text or an image to your clipboard and paste it directly into the prompt box. This can be used for text snippets, code blocks, or a single screenshot. After you paste or attach your content, add a short instruction telling Claude what you want it to do. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize the key points, extract table data, or explain an image. Once the file is attached and your instruction is ready, press Send. If an upload fails, try using a smaller file or a different format. You can also refresh the page and sign in again. That's it. You now know how to upload files to Claude AI using the attachment option, drag and drop, or direct paste. Add your file, enter your instruction, and press Send to submit everything in the conversation. Thank you for watching.